Exemplar.
End of semester 2. Yeah?
And final exam.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can open this one.
Oh, it's PDF. I can't open PDF.
You can't open PDF. No?
Just mobile phone.
Okay. That's weird. I'll open it on the screen then. You can't get an update or a program to open PDFs? No?
Too update automatic.
Your phone's too old?
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll open it on the screen. Will we take turns? Or how do you prefer?
What do you mean?
You do, I do, you do, I do.
Yeah.
Or I just do them all, or... No. Turns. Yeah, okay. We've done everything except the probability and statistics, so we should be able to do most of the exam actually, which is good. Oh, how was ESAP yesterday? Was it useful? Yeah. You did mechanics? Yeah. Final exam. Did Mir show up yesterday? He's missing the whole day? Yeah. Okay. Oops, too big. So, let's see. No. Well, okay, you tell me. Do you want to review both semesters or only semester 2?
Like in semester 1, like the A1 is easy to take the value of B and
Yeah.
put it in the C.
Too easy?
Too easy.
We'll just look at semester 2?
No, there is some in semester 1. I might.
Ah, okay, so we'll decide.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 1, no.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, probability?
Can I?
Yeah.
So it will be 8 over 12, 7 over 11, 6 over 10. Hopefully multiply.
Say again, what's the first one?
8?
Yeah.
No. 12 plus 8 plus 3. 23, yeah.
Maybe you should write this one down and then I'll do it. So this is the exemplar exam, final exam. Yeah. Okay, let's see if you get the same answer as me. So that's 12 red and 8 blue. 12 red, 8 blue. And you draw 3 sweets, and you want all of them to be blue. So that means you want blue, come on, blue, blue, blue. So that's 8 over 20, 7 over 19, 6 over 18. Multiply. That's what you wrote? Yeah, okay. I suppose we can simplify this a bit. That's 1, that's 3, that's 2, that's 5, and that's it. So on the top we have 7 times 2 is 14, and then on the bottom we have 19 times 15. 9 times 5 is 45.
I got
5,
306
9.
over 6,000 years.
I'll get there. What did you get?
336 over 6,000.
But that can be simplified.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just do 19 times 15 on the side here. 5 times 9 is 40. 45! 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 and 4 is 9. Oh, goodness. 0, 1, 9, 285. Yeah, I got 14 over 285. That's the final simplified answer. Probability of blue, blue, blue. Yeah. Okay. Can you change that into a decimal and then change this into a decimal and we'll check it's the same? Yeah, so what's that, the decimal? And what's this one?
Yeah.
0.049. Just 49?
No, there is no.
Tell me one more, the next one.
122.
Okay. Because in the exam they want 3 significant figures. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so we're happy with this one. Right. Let's see. The next one then. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Number 4?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah? Okay.
It's only substitution in the column.
Yeah. Number 5?
Yeah. It's only by the leaf.
Yeah. What about this one? Solve tan squared theta equals 3. Maybe we should do this one? Yeah. Okay, do you want to try it first and then I'll do it then? So, before you start, how many answers do you think you'll have?
6.
Not as many as 6. I think there'll be 4 answers.
9.
2, because it's square. It's quadratic. And then 2, because it's theta. 1 theta means 2 answers. Remember? 2 theta means 4 answers. 3 theta means 6 answers. So it's 2 times 2, 4 answers. 2 because of the square and 2 because of the theta. radians.
Yeah. So I will deal with the square as a fixed step.
A separate step, yeah. Is that what you mean?
I mean the last step I use this.
The square?
Yeah.
It should be the first step. You should square root at the start.
At the start of my answer.
At the very start. Try. I'll do it now. But just do the square root at the beginning. Step 1.
After I get the.
No. Very beginning.
What do you mean by that?
The first step. Square root.
Yeah, I have to add by to the answer.
Yeah? You have
For
four.
answer.
Well, let's see. Okay.
But
Yeah?
I can use them as like the range is from 0 to 2 pi. Yeah.
Yes.
But he said give me your answer as exact multiple of pi.
Have pi in the answer. No numbers.
So I don't need to minus it from 2 pi if it's more. I can only divide it by pi.
No, you
and
can
say
plus or minus 2 pi. I'll do it. Let's see. You have tan squared theta equals 3. So that means tan theta equals plus or minus root 3. Which means you have two answers. Tan theta equals root 3. Tan theta equals minus root 3. So you get two answers here. The first one is pi over 3. And the second one is plus pi. So that's 4 pi over 3. Here, the first one is minus pi over 3. Minus. And then the next one, you have to again add pi. So that's going to be 2/3 pi, isn't it? Yeah, 2/3 pi. So, okay. No, okay. You need to fix it by adding 2 pi. So, 2 pi added on to minus pi over 3, and you get 5 pi over 3. So the answers are pi over 3, 2 over 3 pi, 1/3 pi, 2/3 pi, 4/3 pi, 5/3 pi. Did you get any of these?
Yeah, but I have a question.
Yeah.
2 over 3 pi.
Yeah.
No, 4 over 3. It's more than 2 pi.
This?
4 over 3. The third answer.
No, it's not more than 2 pi. Because 2 pi is 6 over 3.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It's okay?
I got 2 answers.
Which two?
First
This one
two.
and this one. These ones were problems?
Yeah.
Because of this part?
Yeah.
With the minus? Okay, you need to write it down?
I took only the plus for the square root over 3.
Ah. Yes. Okay. Let's see what comes up next. A7. Completing the square. Yes or no? Yes, do it? Yeah?
No, I can't do it.
Oh, okay. I should say do or not. So, not.
No.
Not. 8. What do you think? Do or not?
Kind of.
Do? Okay. Got an answer? Okay, let's have a look. Integrate from 0 to 1 8x cubed over 8 plus x4 dx. And what's nice is that they tell you u is 8 plus x4. So u equals 8 plus x4. That means du dx equals 4x cubed. That means dx equals du over 4x cubed. I'll take this, and I'll take this, and put it back in. Now, I think it's worth remembering that this 0 and 1 is only for x. So I'll just write x in. On the top, I have 8x cubed. On the bottom, I have u, and here I have du over 4x cubed. Cancel, 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 cancel to 2. So this would be 2, 0 to 1, 1 over u du, which is 2 log u, 0 to 1. But again, that's for x, so I should change the u back. 2 log 8 plus x4, 0 to 1. If I put in 1, I get log 9. If I put in 0, I get log 8, yeah. So that's 2 log 9 over 8. Now, we have to see how they want the answer, or if they don't care. They don't care. So I'll put it as a decimal. Oh, you have it already?
Yeah.
Let's double check. What did you get?
0.2356.
So it'd be 0.236 if you do 3. Yeah. Now, if you do buy this calculator, which I think you should, in the exam you can check your answer. Watch. What? Don't you think this is great?
No, in the exam I need the time, so I can't do it.
Yeah, but you can check the answer, no?
You forget the 0.
What's your... No, I got it. So, if I was doing this in the exam, I know
That I have this now.
for sure I have 5%. 5.
No, 3.
No, the 3 is for the next question. This one's 5.
Oh, good.
Yeah, good, yeah. Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Okay. 9.
No, it's this vector over the unit 6 squared plus 2 squared plus 6.
Okay. Ooh, 10 I think we should do. Making the graph of this. Do you remember that? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so? Or you know?
Yeah. I'm just remembering the 3.
Okay, maybe we should do this one. Yeah. I'll help you. There's 2 ways to do it.
By square root to take the ABS.
Square.
Yeah.
You can remove this.
And this will give you 2 answers.
Yes.
This will be quadratic.
Yes, and the 2 answers could be the roots.
Yeah.
If you
And
make
the
this equal to 0.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
the third answer is there. B, T. But the T is 0, yeah?
The third answer?
You have 3 answers.
Oh yeah, 2 roots.
And you
Yeah.
have
And then where it crosses the y-axis.
the minimum point,
Yeah, how do you find the minimum point?
BT minus BC.
Minus BC? What do you mean minus BC?
4 and 0.
Oh! Minus BC. Complete the square?
No, you don't. Alright.
Yeah, the minimum is when this is 0. Yeah, so the x would be 2 and the y would be 0. Yeah, okay. Why don't you try to draw it? And there is a second half here. They said, use your graph, or another way, solve this.
If I solve this, I don't need to graph it.
No, because it does say, show clearly where it crosses the x and the y. So you have to graph it. Yeah. Now, how many marks is this? Oh, it's only 4. It's not fair.
Only one answer.
Yeah, there is only one answer. So it crosses the x-axis only once. Yeah, that's fine. That's right, yeah. And do you have where it crosses the y-axis?
You have to sub where it crosses 0.
No, it doesn't cross the y-axis at 0.
At x equals.
Oh, at x equals 0, yeah. Correct. Yeah? Okay. So now you're doing this part where it equals 8, yeah?
It don't have roots, I have to complete the square.
But this part
Yeah.
should have roots.
It's x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 2.
Say again?
X squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 2.
That's what you got? And this doesn't have roots? Okay, maybe I'll do it. Firstly, you're right, the minimum is at 2, 4. You make this part 0. So 2, 4.
I thought you take the B and C, not the A and B.
Well, okay, you can write it like this.
Or the minimum.
Yeah, you can write it like this. So this is the B and the C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the B. Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So
minimum will be 2 and 0.
yes. Oh, sorry, I wrote 4, didn't I? Sorry, my mistake. Yes, you're right. That should be 0. So that's here. At 2, 0. Okay, and then where it crosses the x-axis, well, the first thing I'll do is I'll divide by 2. So you only get one answer here. So that's here. And then when
It's the same.
it's the same. And then when it crosses the y-axis, that'll just be 4. 0, 4. Yeah. And then the last part is they want to know when this will equal 8. So on the graph that will be like up here, but I'm not going to use the graph, it's too messy. I'm just going to solve this using the square. But first I'll divide by 2 to make it a bit easier. Then I'll square. So I get 2 answers, 0 or 4. No, that's wrong. Oh, no, I see my mistake. I see my mistake. It's not 4 here, 16.
And
So
this is, the 2 is 16 also.
which 2?
Oh, yeah, you divide it by 2.
Yeah. So that's x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. So that's x minus 6, x plus 2.
But how did I get plus 2?
I don't know.
When you square root the 2x minus 4, you get 4x squared.
Say again, when you square
Yeah.
the 2x minus 4,
Without
you
dividing.
get, without dividing, you get 4x squared minus 16x plus 16 equals 64.
That's why I didn't square the 8.
Same mistake I made.
Yeah.
To finish, we need to get the y's. Oh, we know the y's, it should both be 8. So the answer is 6 and minus 2. You want to write it down? No? Right, what about 11?
Yeah.
Is okay? And 12, we can't do yet, because it's the next chapter. So now we're on to section B. So,
how me the 8?
huh?
How decided in 8?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah, I think it's good, yeah. This A was not so bad.
Yeah.
I think the hardest question in A was maybe
This one.
10 and
The
6.
yeah.
Just okay, it's not bad. This is actually a good section A because there's only
One semester.
yeah, exactly, yeah. But maybe in section B, question 1 is semester 1. Question 2 is semester 1.
I was told what if it's more than 3B in semester 1.
There's 6 questions. 3 of them semester 1, 3 of them semester 2. Yeah. Do you want to take a little break?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll do section B. When you come back, you going to get coffee?
Yeah.
Starbucks? Mocha?
Uh-huh. You want something?
Nah, I got my coffee
no,
here.
I mean nothing. Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I'm good.
Really?
I still have chocolate from Mir.
Ah.
Okay, you're going to get a mocha, and then when you come back, we'll do section B. Okay. Maybe you'll see Iyad, Adnan, or Mir in the canteen.
No, if they are in the college, they will come. Like, they don't skip classes and stay in the...
But maybe they feel they're too late for the first class, and they're waiting for the second class. No. I'll stop the video.